How to turn off narrator in Disney Plus. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn off narrator in Disney Plus. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So as you can see, it is not available on my reason. So I'm just gonna briefly tell you on how you can turn off narrator in Disney Plus. It is very easy. So there are certain methods, there are different kind of methods you can use. One of the method is using the Roku remote. Go to the settings, accessibility, after that audio, guide, or screen recorder, and turn off. Otherwise, using if you're using the Disney Plus app on Apple TV, while playing a video, swipe down on the Apple TV controller to show audio and subtitles. After that, select the track with the AD audio description in its name to turn off the narrator. Another method is if you're using the Disney Plus app on iPhone, then you go to the Disney Plus app on your iPhone. After that, turn off the descriptive audio and close the Disney Plus app on your iPhone and reopen the Disney Plus app on your Apple TV to apply the changes. Method number 4 is using the audio settings. Go to your settings, audio. After that, look for options like English or other languages without AD in their names. Select one of these options to turn off the narrator. So therefore, these are the methods on how you can turn off narrator in Disney Plus. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.